I'd like to begin by welcoming everyone and thanking you for all being here on this beautiful day in Oak Glen. I know firsthand just how important friends and family are to these two, so it means the world to have everyone by their side today. Well, Jay, Caley, it's been a long time coming, but you finally made it. Today now marks the 560th day that you have been engaged. Through blood, sweat, and most definitely and already today some tears, you have persevered through the craziness that is wedding planning and will soon have forever to look forward to. The most remarkable... Oh shit, sorry. Everyone please be seated. Sorry.